So if you're thinking about getting this printer, I recommend it. Why? I actually have a Bamboo Labs and it has all the bells and whistles and everything. This one right here does it as good. Now, it doesn't have the enclosure, it doesn't have the camera, but the software is almost basically the same, except it doesn't have like a built-in store, like an app store like Apple has. It has a store for, like, you have to go on the internet and find like prints, but I do that anyways, even with the Bamboo Labs. But this thing is awesome, solid. You open it up, it looks just like this. All you have to do is install this, which is 2 screws. Install these just clamp on. Install this, 2 screws. Put it into here, 1 screw. Plug it in the back. Put the cord that goes from the spooler to the controller. And that's pretty much it. You got a few other screws. The instructions are super easy. Also, let's go ahead and talk about this. Software for your computer. I have it up here and running. Almost looks like any other software that's out there. You put it in there, you can kind of change all the things and do all the bits and stuff. You can also go into your device, change the colors and all that. This is awesome because you can go in here, zoom in, zoom out, make it bigger, make it smaller, all your whatever you're printing, and then create stuff and do the slicing. I have that one, and I absolutely love this one. So if you're in the market, get this one. Now, it doesn't have the bells and whistles, like I said. It doesn't have the enclosure completely glassed in. Doesn't have the camera and all that. But really, you're 3D printing, put the print in, let it do its thing. Anyways, enjoy yourselves. Get this thing. It's awesome. I'm recommending this to all my people. I've had a ton of people, because they know I have the Bamboo Labs, like, well, what printer? I'm like, no, that's a little bit too much. I'm like, all right, well, this is the one I'm gonna say, get this one and you're gonna love it. I have a buddy of mine that has one, and he's like, this thing's awesome. So I had to get one, check it out, and it's amazing. So if you're in the market, check this out. I think you might like it.